Understanding Instruction Manual, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic that you've likely encountered in your daily life: instruction manual. Understanding what an instruction manual is and how to use it can make a big difference in handling new devices or software. So, let's get started and explore everything you need to know about instruction manuals. An instruction manual is a booklet or document that comes with products, appliances, software, or games, providing essential information on how to use, assemble, or install the product correctly. It often includes safety information, setup instructions, usage guidelines, and troubleshooting tips. The key purpose of an instruction manual is to guide users through the process of using a product safely and effectively. Instruction manuals are crucial for several reasons. They ensure safety by informing users about the correct operation of a product and warning about potential dangers. They facilitate proper use, helping users to get the most out of their purchase. They provide troubleshooting advice, which can save time and money on repairs. They support customer satisfaction, as users can solve many problems on their own without contacting customer service. To make the most out of an instruction manual, follow these steps. 1. Read the safety information first to avoid any potential hazards. 2. Look through the table of contents to find the section relevant to your needs. 3. Follow the step-by-step instructions carefully to set up or use your product. 4. Use the troubleshooting section to resolve common issues that may arise. 5. Keep the manual in a safe place for future reference. Sometimes, instruction manuals can be complex or difficult to understand. Here are some tips to help you navigate them. Look for illustrations or diagrams that can help clarify instructions. If the manual is in a language you're not fluent in, see if there are online resources in your preferred language. Practice patience and take your time to follow each step as outlined. Don't hesitate to ask for help from someone more experienced if you're stuck. Thank you for watching our video on understanding the instruction manual. We hope this guide has shed light on why instruction manuals are important and how you can use them to enhance your experience with various products. Remember, taking the time to read and understand an instruction manual can save you time, effort, and ensure your safety. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful content. See you in the next video.